Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lamb shanks, a truly rewarding culinary experience. Lamb shanks are a fantastic cut of meat, known for their rich flavor and ability to become incredibly tender when cooked properly. We'll go over the simple yet effective steps to transform these humble cuts into a magnificent, fall-off-the-bone dish. Get ready to create a comforting and impressive meal that will delight your taste buds and those of your loved ones. Our journey begins with searing the lamb shanks. This vital step isn't just about color. It's about building a deep, complex flavor profile that will permeate the entire dish. Brown them thoroughly on all sides until they have a beautiful golden crust. Next, we'll introduce aromatic vegetables like finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them until softened. Don't forget to deglaze the pan, capturing all those delicious brown bits, which are pure flavor. Now it's time for the braising liquid, which is key to achieving that melt-in-your-mouth texture. You can use a robust red wine, a rich beef or chicken broth, or even crushed tomatoes for a different twist. Pour enough liquid to partially submerge the shanks, then bring it to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot tightly and let it cook slowly in the oven or on the stovetop for several hours. This low and slow method ensures the meat becomes incredibly tender. Once your lamb shanks are perfectly tender, remove them from the pot and let them rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum succulence. While they rest, you can reduce and thicken the braising liquid to create a luxurious, flavorful sauce. Serve these magnificent shanks with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps creamy mashed potatoes, polenta, or a vibrant green vegetable. You've just created a truly satisfying and memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.